tutorial guides you through converting PowerPoint files to PDF format using SaaSBox's online tools. You will learn how to search for the service, upload your presentation, and customize conversion settings for optimal results. Click Search on the Google homepage to begin your query. Fill the search box with TrySaaSBox to find the SaaSBox website. Click SaaSBox, free online PDF tools merge, compress, from the search results to visit the site. Switch to the TrySaaSBox.com tab to access the SaaSBox homepage. Click View More Tools to explore additional PDF conversion options available on SaaSBox. Click